Cage back the rope and Racing Majesty Queen hits the ground, moving up on the outside. Tony Quarter, Deadly Storm is around the outside now and showing speed. Passing the winning post, Deadly Storm takes up the running by leg. Tony Quarter, here comes No Peso, No Dance. Running by the wheel, C2 Net, Racing Fort Storm. Running by the wheel is Majesty Queen, then followed by Crafty Treasure. Entry number 7, that's Gold Bracelet. Into the back they travel. Deadly Storm leads by Falang. Tony Quarter running second. And running by the wheel, No Peso, No Dance. Storm is racing fourth around the outside. Z to Net. Majesty Queen is next on line. Then followed by Crafty Treasure, Gold Bracelet. Here comes Hardway. Entry number 6, Storm Flag. Then followed by entry number 3. That's Desire to Excel inside the last 600. It's No Peso, No Dance, leading now by some 3 lengths. But here comes Gold Bracelet, now running in second. And inside the last 300, it is still No Peso, No Dance, leading by some 3 lengths, followed by Gold Bracelet. And running in third is Deadly Storm C2 Net. But still No Peso, No Dance, leading by South 5 now over Gold Bracelet. And finally, No Peso, No Dance, Gold Bracelet, C2 Net, Crafty Treasure, Deadly Storm, and Majesty Queen.
Pinansin na nga ni Kong Bobok sa parada. Parang